Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yellow color. It's important to understand that yellow is a primary color, which means you cannot create it by mixing other colors together in the subtractive color model, like with paints or pigments. Instead, yellow is one of the foundational colors from which many others are derived. We'll explore what this means for your art projects. Let's define primary colors. In the world of pigments and paints, the three primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. These are considered the foundational colors because they cannot be formed by mixing any other colors. They serve as the essential starting points from which you can create a wide array of secondary and tertiary colors for your artistic endeavors. It's helpful to distinguish between color mixing models. Subtractive color mixing is what we use with paints, dyes, and inks, where colors absorb light. Additive color mixing, on the other hand, is about light itself, like on your computer screen, where colors combine to create white. When we talk about making yellow paint, we are firmly in the subtractive color realm. So, the easy method for making yellow is actually to obtain it directly as a pure pigment. Since it's a primary color, you simply need to purchase yellow paint or pigment. This pure yellow is then indispensable for mixing. For example, combine it with blue to create various shades of green, or mix it with red to produce beautiful oranges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.